All right, welcome back. We're now starting the second chapter of this unit. Get ready as we dive into more important concepts. Let's jump right in.
This training is part of the EU-funded Code4Future project. The project is coordinated by Gent GmbH in collaboration with L4Y Learning for Youth GmbH and Seyhan Danışment Gazi Anadolu Lisesi. Stay tuned for more coding content from this initiative. You can find more resources through the link provided in the description.
Let's talk about what goes into making a great website, one that people enjoy using and feel safe on. There are three key parts: user-centered design, smart back-end technology, and responsive design with strong security. I'll walk you through each one. First, user-centric web development. This means designing with the user in mind. A good website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and has clear buttons like Buy Now or Sign Up. If a user can't find what they need, or if it's too slow, they'll leave. So our job is to make it simple and smooth. Second, back-end technologies. This is the part users don't see, but it's what makes everything work. Some popular backend tools include Node.js Python with Django or Flask Ruby on Rails and PHP. These tools help us handle data, process things like logins or payments, and connect to other services. Without a solid backend, a website can't actually do anything. Third, responsive design and security. Websites should work well on all devices: phones, tablets, laptops. That's where responsive design comes in. We use tools like Bootstrap to make layouts adjust to any screen. And then there's security. This means using HTTPS to keep data safe, checking user input to block hackers, and storing passwords securely. This builds trust and keeps users protected. To sum it up, good web development is about understanding your users, choosing the right tools, and protecting their experience. When you combine those things, you get websites that are not only functional, but enjoyable and safe to use. Game development is one of the most exciting areas of coding because it blends creativity with technical skill. Let's break it into two key parts: creativity and software engineering. First, creativity and technical skills. Game development isn't just about writing code, it's about building experiences. You're creating characters, stories, worlds, and how the player interacts with them. To bring these ideas to life, developers use programming languages like C++, known for performance in big games; C#, used in Unity, great for mobile and indie games; Python, easier to learn and great for beginners or prototypes. These tools help developers build everything from smooth gameplay to beautiful visuals and responsive controls. Second, software engineering principles. Behind the scenes, good games also need strong software foundations. That means clean, organized code testing and fixing bugs regularly. Making sure the game runs smoothly on different devices. Developers use software engineering practices to make the game stable, scalable, and easy to maintain. This helps avoid crashes, glitches, or lag that could ruin the experience for players. In short, game development is a mix of art and code. It's about imagining something exciting and then using programming to make it real and playable. As we wrap up, let's bring everything together. First, a unified approach. Successful application development isn't just about writing code, it's about combining three things: technical skills, creativity, and most importantly, a focus on the user. When we understand user needs and follow a clear software development process, we create products that are not just functional, but also reliable and adaptable. Second, future trends and innovation. The world of technology is always changing, so as developers, it's important to keep up with new tools and trends, stay flexible, and work closely with others. This helps us build applications that are modern, engaging, and ready for the future. To sum it up, great software happens when we combine smart coding, user-focused design, and ongoing learning. That's how we create digital experiences that inspire and truly make an impact. Thank you all for joining this session today. We've covered a lot, from understanding user needs to exploring coding applications like websites, games, and software, all the way through the software lifecycle and best practices. The key takeaway: great digital products aren't just about writing code. They're about putting users first, solving real problems, and always learning and improving. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, I hope this gave you a clear picture of how powerful and creative the world of software development can be. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into anything we covered, feel free to reach out. Thanks again, and I wish you all the best on your coding journey.